Good evening, fellow comrades and friends, and our esteemed journalists who joined us this evening. We welcome you all in this revolutionary house, the multi-triangular house, where we are going to give a press briefing with regard to the developments that are emerging within the political party as well as the national discourse. So without wasting much of your time, fellow comrades, allow me to hand over to the party's deputy national spokesperson, the comrade leader, Luke Tamborinyoka, to take us through what we have as a political party. Over to you, comrade.
Thank you, Leader Story. And welcome to Morgan Triangular House members of the 40 states. Our sincerest apologies for the slight delay. We are just busy trying to wrap up things. As you can see, we are coming up from a meeting, so we are very sorry for the slight delay for the working discussion. I used to be on the other side of the network, so I understand the inconvenience that is the deadlines to me, so I can fully understand, having come from that context. So I will just issue a brief part statement, after which I will ask you guys to ask questions and clarifications. The police have today proscribed Agenda 2020, a key event for the party that was scheduled for tomorrow in Bari, Harare. Citing Flim's excuses that the event cannot proceed because the police are busy with the schools that are opening this week, as if the police have got anything to do with the opening of schools. Tomorrow's event was scheduled to be addressed by the MDC leadership. We are noting a disturbing trend where the police are routinely proscribing MDC events and treating the party as a banned organization in the country. Starting with our scheduled peaceful and constitutional public protests in the various cities that were brutally quelled by the police in August of last year, as well as President Chamisa's Hope of the Nation address that was violently proscribed on the 20th of November 2019. We have noted a very disturbing trend where the police are banning legitimate and constitutional activities at the MDC. In each of these instances, we had complied with the law and given the police due notification, but we continue to be treated like a fund for a terrorist organization when we are a legitimate political party that is represented in parliament and that controls 28 out of 32 urban local authorities. The police have periodically abused our compliance with the law, and as a party, we are currently reviewing whether under the current circumstances we should continue to cooperate with unjust laws and unjust requirements. We are ready now. The MDC national leadership has met today, and as a mark of responsible leadership, it has said no to confrontation and is having to stop the people who are ready to attend the event in Bari tomorrow. For fear of their lives against this brutal dictatorship, and given what this regime has done before, we have decided to postpone the Agenda 2020 event to next week on Tuesday, at a venue to be announced. But this does not mean that we are complying with dictatorship. We have given the regime due notice of all our constitutional activities, and they have denied us the chance to exercise our democratic rights. And as I said, we are reviewing our position regarding this. This is a peaceful event. Agenda 2020 event, it was meant to be a peaceful event, and when it is going to be held next week, it is going to be a peaceful event. A mammoth event on this year's national calendar that is set to be attended by ordinary people as well as diplomats, in which the party will lay to the people its agenda for the year, including its program of action, as well as the party's program of activities for the whole year of 2020. We have postponed the event because the regime was budgeting for a clash, for blood, and for violence. And as a party, we will not sacrifice the lives of innocent Zimbabweans. I reiterate that we are reviewing the position of whether we should continue to comply and cooperate with unjust laws and unjust requirements that are inimical to the practice of democracy. We have postponed our event because we do not want any side show. We want to give Zimbabweans a chance to hear the party's calendar of critical party targets for the year that will address the key challenges affecting the ordinary people, as well as the party's plan to rescue the nation out of the current morass.
Okay, thank you very much, Comrade Leader Luke Tamborinyoka, for taking us through what he had to deliver. Well, at this particular moment, allow me to take some questions from you, fellow journalists, regarding anything that you might need clarification from what has been said. So I'll take 3 questions, then later on 3 questions if the need arises. So, well, I take it that there are no questions for clarification. Okay.
Yeah. Recently, there's been statements that the party leadership is weak on social media, that it's weak and it's not giving the people of Zimbabwe direction. But what is your response to that, given that in light of the recent development?
Any other question? I think that's the only question that we have from a blessing.
Thank you, Dara Blessing, for that question. The whole essence and the whole aim of this Agenda 22 is to give and provide that direction. And as I have said, it is a statement that is going to enunciate the party's key programs of the year, including our program of action as well as our programs of party activities that are meant to rescue the people from the current challenge. This is actually the plan of action for the year. This is exactly the plan that is going to set up the critical party targets of what the MDC is going to do this year to rescue Zimbabwe from the current challenge. So we are not going to allow any sideshow where there's going to be totality state of Zimbabweans hearing from the MDC station what the party's critical party target is. But like I told you, we are reviewing our position as to whether we will continue to comply with unjust laws and unjust practices. Seriously,
okay. Do you still have anyone who has a burning question so that you can take this opportunity to seek the clarification? Well, okay, I think there are no further questions. Okay, the last question, Comrade Costa.
We are planning to reschedule to the agenda, right?
yes.
In any event, the police also asked for the forces.
Like I told you, please our event on Tuesday. We'll see what happens. It will fall within the context that we are in our position as to whether we will continue to comply with unjust laws.
Yeah, but this looks like a perennial response from the police.
Yes,
and it looks like they are not going to allow you to protest anytime soon.
Yes, I hear you. This is not a protest. This was meant to be our agenda to lay out our party activities for the year. And then they prescribe our agenda again, which is again to we'll see what happens. It will fall within the lines of us reviewing our position as to whether we must continue to comply with just laws. But like I said, we don't want to create a sanction where we go there and then they tell us people like they did during that Hope of the Nation address. People ended up not hearing what President Chamisa is doing. And like I said, if they continue, they prescribe our event on Tuesday.
Okay, thank you so much, fellow comrades, for coming, especially this particular short notice. We really appreciate your efforts. The continued coverage of our events.